Yeah, family, this is what Two Rivers look at night. It's a Sunday evening here in Kenya. And that's what Two Rivers looks like. Oh, it's full of people. It's first I'm coming here like this. Wow.
Very
Lively.
beautiful.
Very lively. Wow.
This is the
Anybody in the big eye?
I'm trying to check. It's nice. Boy cat.
Yeah, it's great, man. See what you say. Play. Catch everything.
Mama. Let's capture.
Yeah, man. Karibu sana.
You're going to make line and he doesn't have job doing.
Oh yeah. Yeah, we have to give him his job. Yeah, we check everywhere. Yeah, man, thank you. I think Sunday night food is where people come and hang out.
Oh yeah.
This music was playing and it doesn't affect me video. I can take out this song again. Yeah, family, so it's a Sunday evening, Two Rivers family. This is what it looks like. Everybody's out and about. The place is light up and nice up. Yeah, I mean, everybody's out. We're actually just going to the cafe. So we want to come over here.
No? Yeah.
We want to experience Two Rivers nightlife.
I don't want to experience nightlife. Guy.
So guys, them have Holiday Inn. It's a famous hotel chain in the west. Holiday Inn.
Yeah.
We'll be chilling at the Holiday Inn.
Parking
How
is available.
much is available?
I love like 400.
400 parking time.
And it's different levels. There's basement 1, 2, da da da.
So somebody was asking, I was watching somebody's videos, a vlogger video that that recently came to Kenya. She was asking if this is like for a black owned.
Okay.
So tell them the history about Two Rivers Mall.
It's a Kikuyu owned.
Tell them that who is like
Chris Kirubi.
Sorry, this is owned by
Christopher Kirubi.
Yeah, and he's a Kikuyu. And he's an African and stuff. Kikuyu is the Mau tribe. We fight and liberate blood clot Kenya.
Fight.
I mean, so now I'm really happy to be in Kenya, family. Why?
Somebody asked if it's a black person owned.
Yeah. In Jamaica, you have nobody to connect to, but I can proudly say my son is connected to the founding father of Kenya, Jomo Kenyatta. He was a Kikuyu. So I am really blessed to say that, because in Jamaica I can't say nothing. Because everybody was colonized by the West.
Yeah.
So, I can always feel free to say that, family, that my son is in the same tribe as the founding father of Kenya.
As our first daddy.
The first father is a Kikuyu. First president is a Kikuyu family. So, guys, we're at the car park. We just get a parking. And actually, we're just gonna come out.
Come out.
And
We're gonna come out.
we're gonna go to do a little shopping in Two Rivers Mall, family. I need to get an SD card for my camera and stuff like that.
I just spoke in Pidgin.
What is Pidgin?
Pidgin is like fatwa in Jamaica. Pidgin is for Nigeria. I don't know.
I'm gonna come out and take it.
Okay.
What's wrong?
Uber just said you come out.
Light is on, mic is on.
Come out too.
Yeah, family. Yeah, family. So we actually, so they're not coming out. We're at the car park, and this is Two Rivers Mall at the car park. So continue watching the video while I share with you Two Rivers Mall. Yeah, it's up that way. Oh, every Sunday is Masai market. a chain, sweetie. The hurtful times are the blissful times. When we chalice. What about live music? family, please like and share the video. I didn't get to go and enjoy the reggae like I want to, but I promise next time we'll check to see if they have this every Sunday evening at Two Rivers. Like, share and comment. One Love, my storage full, and I'm here to get a memory card. So like, share and comment. I'm out live from family. So this is actually Kafo. As you can see, it's very big. It's a big place with all section and everything that you want. You actually come to Kafo. Everything you want for your home, everything you'll find it in Kafo family. Dog food, whatever you want, you'll find it in Kafo. We just come for a few things today. As you know, guys, we shop mostly at the markets. We don't really shop for a lot of stuff in supermarkets. It's nice Kenya. Nice Kenya. We just come for soaps and stuff. Just small things. Yeah? This is like the traditional stuff family, as you can see. A lot of traditional stuff. Look at this bag, Africa bag. All traditional. That's the wipes. So stuff for babies too, so we can have permission. You have it there? It's a good one.
My own is strong.
Oh, this one is not this color. I don't think they look very flimsy.
Yeah, I'm just going to get it.
So we're just shopping for household stuff family. Nothing to really eat, but just household stuff. Not a lot of processed food. So that's you love bringing that bag nowadays. Everything you want family, you can get it at Kafo. When I bread I buy the Kafo bread. Yeah, on a Sunday, yeah. It's very busy on a Sunday.
And then there's a production.
So you're gonna get the Kafo bread, right?
Yeah, what's
Yeah? So what are those things? Those things are messy up. Yeah, family, so we are at the Kafo, about to check out. I hope you like, share, and comment on the video, family. Just some thoughts, jobless.
I'm just starting like project.
Yeah, family, so we're outside of Two Rivers Mall, heading home. Like, share, and comment on this video.